राजेश बाब, फाटल्या कितलेच दीस जाले राजेश खंवटो खंय आहा, खंयच्या हितून आसतलो, खंयच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आसतलो, इलेक्शनाक खंय लडटलो, हे सगळी चर्चा आशिल्ली. आनी स्टील दे हॅव बीन पॉलिटिकल एस्पर्शन्स बीन क्रिएटेड ऑन दीस इश्यू. आयज राजेश खंवटो आमच्या फुड्यानूच आसा. सो हेजेर कितें चिंतलेलें आसा? राजेश खंवटो लडटलो, सांताक्रूज कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लडटलो, कितें करतलो?
जाले लास्ट 5-6 महिने वी वर्किंग देर फॉर ओवर 2 years इन सांताक्रूज. 5-6 महिने जाले आमी काँग्रेसीच्या फाटल्यान रावन कंटिन्युअस वी आर एमिंग टू कॉन्टेस्ट फ्रॉम सांताक्रूज. सांताक्रूजचें बरें करचें हेंच एक तकलेन आशिल्लें की आयज सांताक्रूजची परिस्थिती ती पळयल्यार म्हणजे दुखार दिसता की थंय कांयच डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्लें ना. हाका लागून आमी फुडें सरलेले टू डू द डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ सांताक्रूज. एंड काँग्रेस इज द party which we felt will deliver and help us also develop Santa Cruz. पण ते कांयच काँग्रेसीचें दिसना. लास्ट 6 म्हयने जाले आमकां दवरले. आयज जाले डिसेंबर 2nd वीक जालो, अजुनूय दे आर नॉट गिवींग अस अ गो हेड. सो प्रॅक्टिकली फॉर मी आय डू नॉट फील दॅट देर इज म्हजी गरज आहा काँग्रेसीक किंवा हें करपाक. So it is pointless now to contest in Santa Cruz and take a decision about कितें करता ताका व्हॅल्यूज आसपाक जाय. बेश्टें करूंक जाय म्हणून करून रातोरात किल्लो बांदूंक जायना. सो वी हॅव टू डिसायड हाव टू वी वॉन्ट टू गो हेड. ते सगळें डिसिजन घेता आसतना काँग्रेसीचे जर पळयत, दे डोंट लूक लायक दे आर वॉन्टिंग टू वीन इलेक्शन. हे फक्त हांगा मूर्ख लोक बसयल्या एट द टॉप. आनी हे मुर्खां बरोबर कशें हाव टू फायट इलेक्शन्स एंड दॅट टू फायट very difficult party like BJP, and these people are absolutely not even concerned about so I do not feel I will go ahead, and especially with Congress I do not feel I want to go ahead with Congress anymore.
No, but would Rajesh Khawte contest in the upcoming assembly polls? He has decided not to contest.
See, to contest म्हणजे I have done my groundwork. आता contest करतलो काय ना हें आमकां 1-2 महिने पयलीं तरी हांवें डिसिजन घेतिल्लें. देन आय हॅव ऑल्सो कम टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड टोल्ड यू दॅट आय विल विलिंग टू कॉन्टेस्ट. बट नाव वी आर इन 2nd वीक ऑफ डिसेंबर. जर आमकां आयज पार्टीचें कन्फर्मेशन ना आनी फुडें सरपाक वाट ना तर आमी कितें करपाचें? लास्ट मिनीट काडून रिंगान घालप आनी आमी ताजेर धांवपळ करप हाका अर्थ ना. देन यू आर एक्चुअली गिफ्टिंग दॅट सीट टू द ओपोजिशन वीच दे आर वॉन्टिंग टू डू टुडे. आमी बाय शूड वी बिकम द बलिका पकड.
So can we say that Rajesh Khawte will stay away from this assembly polls as far as contesting is concerned?
Yes, contesting yes, but I will be a force to reckon. And please understand me, whoever I support and announce my support, you will see that candidate winning in Santa Cruz.
What do you have to say about when you talk about Santa Cruz, like Amit Palekar asa, Rudolf asa? So हेजेर तुमचें कितें मत आसा?
Amit Palekar is a good lawyer, criminal lawyer, but I feel he has somehow lost his way and gone into the wrong party. He could have very well contested from the major parties instead of going for the party he is presently affiliated with. I feel Amit has done a mistake. He's a good friend of mine, but he has done a mistake by going there.
What about Rudolf?
Rudolf, I do not consider him as an opposition, frankly. He may be there with Congress or he may be anybody, but सांताक्रूजचें जर बरें करपाक जाय जाल्यार रुडॉल्फा फाटल्यान लोक रावप म्हणजे मूर्खपण. म्हणजे वी आर टेकिंग गोवा और सांताक्रूज बॅक 20 years बॅक into the hands of those gundas and the same old timers, which I do not see any. Mami आशिल्ली तर yes, you could have said Mami आसा म्हणटोय आमी हॅपिली मामी फाटल्यान रावतले आशिल्ले. पूण not for people like Rudolf who are only that gunda type of characters. आनी मनशाक हें ना, ethics ना काय ना. We have our whole life we have stayed with ethics. We have stayed with our principles and that has been our foray, whether business or फुडें वचून politics. ह्या मनशाक ethics तरी आसा कितें?
What happens to Rajesh Khawte जे तेणें थिंगा लोकांचेर इतले सपोर्ट एकठांय केल्लो, फाटें इतलें तें काम केल्लें, हें केल्लें. सो हे कोणा will Rajesh support somebody there? Because candidates तो आसतलेच, एक आनी दोन भरपूर आसा.
See, my people are with me. My people I have already communicated how I am finding it difficult with Congress. So they are with me to saying, "Bhai, तू सांगता तांच्या बरोबर आमी रावतले." This is the sort of a backup they have given me. And हांव जाणा आमचे लोक आमचे बरोबर रावतले कित्याक लास्ट दोन अडेज वर्सां आमी तेंच्या बरोबर रावले, आमी ताजे क्षणाक पावल्या, कामाक पावल्या, सगळ्याक पावल्या. सो दीस पीपल वील स्टे वीथ अस. सो कोणाक सपोर्ट करपाक येता रोखडेंच तुमकां हांव थोड्या दिसांनी आय वील लेट यू नो, एंड आय वील टेल यू द डे आय टेल यू, you take it as that +1 for that party that they will get elected.
What happens if some other political party approaches you?
See, I do not believe की हे पळय ह्यो सगळ्यो लास्ट मिनीट पार्टी घेवन हांगा पळय बोवाळ घालूंक खेळ चलयला माकडाचो. That is not the way to look at it. There are two parties, two regional parties and two national parties which are in Goa, which we have to respect and go. ते सोडून बाकीच्या हांकां मजा हातून तरी तोंड पळोवपाचें ना.
At the same time, we know about Purvari, your brother is there. Purvari कशें पळयता रोहना बराबर कशें आसता तुमी?
See, Rohan will take his own decision. I have told, we have been talking regularly, and Rohan has very been clear on what his way ahead is. I have told him, you will have to align with national parties which are there. हे नवे आयिल्ल्या लोकां बरोबर हांव तुज्या बरोबर ना. And I will not, sincerely, ethically, I will not stay with these new parties which have come into Goa. Any other party is willing to go, I will support it.
No, but national म्हणटा आसतना BJP आसा. सद्याक तर काँग्रेसान ताचे वर्कर्स गेलेले आसा. So you mean to say it may it be BJP or Congress?
Any of this, that is his decision to take. But from my side, I will back him whether it is Congress or BJP. Both I will back him in forward. I will be with him.
There are speculations that somewhere आनी हें आसा की ह्या दिसांनी कितें जालां पळय तेजें तुमचें कितें म्हणणें आसा? ज्या भाशेन किचावट जाल्या पळय ती हिंच्यानसान how do you see this political situation as far as
during elections these things happen. Winnability and power is very important for us. 5 वर्सां ऑपोजिशनान रावप, लोकांची कामां करप ना, हाजें दुख्ख फक्त जो ऑपोजिशन आसा किंवा एक आमदार आसा ताकाच कळटा. भायर बसून हे पळय उलयता तांकां इट इज व्हेरी इजी टू से दीस थिंग्स, बट पीपल हू आर स्टेईंग आउट ऑफ पॉवर वील अंडरस्टँड वॉट इट मीन्स. लोकांची कामां आपल्या स्वताक लागून न्ही, आपल्या लोकांची कामां जायना तेन्ना कळटा.
You also feel that Rohan should be in power next term?
Of course, to develop his constituency, betterment of his people, why shouldn't he? Should definitely be.
Whichever political party it may be.
That is his फुडें वचून लोकांचो सपोर्ट कसो आसा, लोक आयकतात आनी ते चिंतून ताणें फुडें वचपाचें.
What would be your advice to Rohan? Join when you talk about national political party म्हणटा पळय.
My advice is simple. You be with the parties which will stay with you. And let it be a national party. Let it not be all these newcomers.
Are you hinting to Rohan to go somewhere?
I have told him already. It's not hinting.
No, because BJP is there.
him.
Rumors are there that he might also join BJP. Though Congress
BJP is now Congress now. See, these are two MGs now third, and Goa forward is 4. This 4 Atun, I am comfortable he going. Other than this 4, I am not very comfortable, and I will not be with him if he is going.
If he doesn't go in this favor and other than this,
I will not be with him.
That means you also communicated with him. तुमच्या बराबर आसचा ना.
Clear.
Okay. Santa Cruz कशें आसतलें आतां तुमी फुडें कोणूय जावं? How would you choose this candidate when you would like to tell your supporters बाबा हेका आमी सपोर्ट करता म्हणून कसो आसतलो तो candidate?
See, म्हजें vision फुडें व्हरपाक, if I am not contesting on a Congress ticket, then definitely either Congress has to give somebody whom are ते रुडॉल्फाचें नांव सोडून आनी कोणाचें नांव जर तूं वयर काडटा, आय डोंट नो.
टोनी आसा, विक्टर आसा, तूं तो लायनींतलो भायर सरलो.
Victor, I'm okay. Victor,
Tony, okay.
with
Tommy
Raut, I'm okay. I've already communicated this earlier. Tommy जर दिता किंवा Tommy चेडवाक दिता, I'm okay with that. Other than that, otherwise we have to collectively find somebody whom will, whether it is independent or whether he will go on one of these 4 parties, we have to decide.
So फाल्यां रुडॉल्फाक दिल्यार तुमी तिगूय एकठांय सेपरेट जातले आनी ताका सपोर्ट करचे ना.
Congressian दिता. Definitely. We have communicated that. We will never back Rudolph because his ideology is completely different from my voting politics.
Any constituency other than Santa Cruz, Rajesh is thinking of the thought, फाल्यां कितें ऑप्शन चेयले जाल्यार?
As of now, no. फुडें पळोवया. Because we have another, after this term, maybe next time we will see where to go. But
so you have fully made up your decision, Baba. This time I would back out.
Back out, see, I do not.
As far as contesting.
Backing out of the election. I will be very visible throughout the election. You will see my only I will not be the candidate. That
Candidate.
is the only difference what I am saying. That also because we are running very close to election. 1-1.5 महिना उरला, 1.5 महिन्यानंतर कांयच rocket science करपाक जायना आमच्या.
Rajab, how do you see this as far as political parties इतल्यो येयल्या at the same time चडशे BJP उडके मात तूं म्हणटा डेव्हलपमेंटाक गेल्या whom do you feel that has a better chance? You also know the political pulse.
Political party, if you see it very openly, who are these new parties come to break whose votes? They have come to break into Congress. BJP ची जी बेस्टेन आसा, BJP चे जे votes आसा ते खंयच वचना. काँग्रेसीचे vote खावपाक येवन नव्यो पार्टी आयल्या. So it is understood that these people who are sitting in the hems of affairs of Congress in Goa don't even understand that the carpet below them is getting swept away. They are just sitting there and giving press conferences and getting unwanted people or wanted people in the party. Otherwise, कितें चल्लां Congress? Is there any strategy from the Congress side to even fight elections?
So फुडलें election कशें जातलें दिसता तुमकां? येता तें election गोंयांत.
Yes, it will be I think it will not be a very difficult fight for BJP to win this next election. Looking at the trend, Congress, unless they make real changeover plans for them. Otherwise, BJP again will be seen in the as a ruling.
What would be your message to your voters in Santa Cruz since this is the thing what you have decided now?
My message is I have already communicated with most of the people who are moving around already communicated, Papa, I will not be there, but I will be with you all. कितें जावं बारीक सारीक सुद्दां कामां आसूं कितें आसूं I will see that it is getting we are getting it done. आयज कोणा बरोबर रावूंक जाय कितें ना तें हांव तुका रायट टायमार येवन सांगता सगळ्यांक. So post that we will take a decision where to go, and with the people of Santa Cruz, definitely Santa Cruz is my love. I will not see that I will see that this constituency is not discarded. फाटल्यान रावन सुद्दां हांव कितें काम करूंक जाय तितलें करतलो.
Thank you, Rajesh Bab. Thanks for your time.